Hello there. We decided to do things a little more differently for this video and show the entire game of Ranked from beginning to end, so you can see how we play the game in a little bit more detail, along with hearing some of our wild conversations, along with the constant bleeping that I have to do for these absolute idiots. Anyways, I love them anyways. If you like or dislike this style of video, please leave a comment and let me know. I just want to make sure I have the best content for you guys, as I am making these videos for you to watch, but I also make them for myself because they're just a lot of fun to do. Anyways, hope you enjoy this video. Appreciate your support, and let the trash comments commence, because, you know, what's YouTube without trash? So anyways, let her fly. Have a good time.
Yes.
My game.
I can kill you.
I can't.
Travis started. Turn right, right.
So,
we're just never gonna lose. Okay, straight, a little bit more right. Alright,
I can't
left. Straight.
Oh, we should make him use his
left, straight, right.
I can't see.
Press A. Alright, turn around. Alright, now left, a little bit right, left, no, left, no. Alright, now hold X.
I don't see a from.
Left, hold X. Alright,
I'm watching this happen on cameras. Oh my God.
Go straight. Now be free, my son.
Right here.
Wait, is this
right
brother
here.
actually outside?
Yes, he is. I'm watching this go down on the cameras.
I can't see.
Whiff. I got him. Thank you, Chuck.
Got you, poop.
What the heck is going on out there?
I can't.
Alright, restart your game, quick.
Quick. That could happen, but okay.
Chuck, you got me 2 kills.
Tyler, me and my SMG
I
are
got
here
you,
to help.
Books.
Okay.
How the did I survive?
You
that
should
long?
have known that Tyler was doing.
No, I knew he was. What else was I gonna do?
Yeah. Might as well.
Callie.
Ah, that was a headshot and you know it, game.
Oh, look at the pigs
Oh, you're
peek.
holding too tight of an angle.
I ain't never
Too tight.
been tight before.
Tight. It's a compliment I've never gotten.
X.
Where
Alright,
was he? He was out front door. Oh.
Bro, I can't believe Jake is 8-0 too.
Oh my word.
Ellis?
How did that happen? You're so insane.
By the bar.
Both of them?
One that might did.
Revolver.
Friendly disabled the diffuser. Mission successful.
That was crazy. They planted Charlie, like, we had nobody in sight and they planted.
Ninja defuse.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
they're probably really
No, I shot
confused
that first.
why I ran outside, didn't shoot at any of them.
That was the most unhinged round of Siege I think I've ever led.
We should do, dude, that's a perfect bait.
Honestly.
Yeah, but if I could see,
That
I would have
was-
tried to shoot at them and I would have died immediately. But since
That
I
was a
couldn't see,
perfect.
it worked
That was
better.
just unhinged. as
You should record, can you record the last 5 minutes for me? So I can...
I
tried
watched
to
that go
record
down
2
on the
different
camera.
clips, so we'll
I watched Charlie's every move. Tyler just directs him down the hallway.
left. No. Left.
It took
I
me
didn't
all
know
of
what
2
the heck he
seconds
was
to
doing.
figure out I could bait you.
I said I can't see, and you immediately went,
Listen.
follow me.
Listen, Tyler's been doing this for years. Like, it took me like 6 years of Siege to realize Tyler let me go in first, so he could find where everyone else was at.
Oh, man.
He's a piece of. I'll just give it to you straight.
Op 4 has
I won't
located
deny it.
a bomb ready for assault. Reload! 10
A
seconds.
toxic
I
relationship.
miss Charlie. I'm the only one doing anything on site.
Down
Sorry,
5
I'm
seconds.
doing sneaky
Quick
boy
as
shit.
my checkbox will load.
Op 4 has located a bomb. Be ready for hostile action.
Oh, I can see again.
I hear them repelling outside of this room.
Are they in anywhere, or are they just outside?
Not yet, they're just outside.
They're
Okay,
not
I
even
just
out
need
on
to
the
be
balcony
sneaky.
over there.
I just need to be sneakier for a while.
Reloading!
Oh, one on
Is
that
you
window,
shooting that,
Tyler.
Jake? I'll ping the window for you again. There you go.
I got one where?
There.
He dropped.
Okay,
Two
yeah.
dropped. There's three on the ground floor outside. They're
They
coming
have a
downstairs.
lion that they haven't used yet.
They're coming over this way, Justin, by ping 5.
Sneaky.
Two of them.
So sneaky. So sneaky.
Towards the building. I don't know where in there, but
There was one droning, one was holding. I didn't realize.
right
that.
here. Ping 5, 0.
Yeah,
Ooh, I know, I'm running through. The other side. Oh my bro. Whenever I tell you I really
Oh my, they're all on me.
I got
feel like
I
a
got
quadriplegic alligator, dog. This is craziness.
Quadriplegic
After a while.
alligator would Nope, alligator
I let him up.
rest in their lifetime they die because
He was all the way on the other
rest of them,
side, Tyler.
They can't get rid of it. They just
Guys, you're holding the same angle, fellas.
no Cody was over.
oh on site.
No.
Coming to the in the statue room. He's lit up.
They're alive.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Susan.
He's probably over there somewhere.
Can someone keep an eye on my
Stairs here.
Stairs, Tyler.
Right here. He took it.
Yeah.
No.
He was standing still. He was standing still.
You
He was
Mahomes
standing
glazing
still.
piece.
Bro,
Dude,
Also,
everyone we
season,
play,
though.
everyone we play against probably thinks you're cheating at. I'm just saying.
Everyone on YouTube
Good.
thinks he's cheating.
I don't see anyone in over here, Tyler.
Jake, you remember Brian, right?
I think they spawned on the side.
He's the boss. I'm
Oh no,
talking
they
about in this
spawned
concept.
on the side that you're peeking, not the one you're peeking, but to your left, like those windows. You know what I'm talking about?
For
Poops?
whatever the it's worth, I'm
Dude.
just gonna do this and call it a day.
Broken window.
Wow.
Rip, lover boy.
I died to
Justin.
Loverboy Justin. Yeah. There's a couple of them over here.
Need
Two
to
of them at the staircase.
Damn, I got tapped.
Cody,
Trust
we
me,
are-
fellas.
I'm watching the window.
The sneakiest.
If they jump in, they're gonna get shot and killed.
Somebody's
They have
droning
zero cam on you.
second floor. There's a ramp site, and somebody's droning forward.
Oh, Justin.
I'm dog.
Justin.
I am certified.
It's Justin. Oh, Justin crime.
Certified lover boy. Certified.
I don't deserve to be a lover boy for that one.
Come on.
Where the f am I shooting? Am I going?
They're not
Where
in
are
the
you?
window, Jake.
Left side.
Good ears.
Can I Antero? Antero! Let's f go, dude.
Oh, huge. It's so fat.
Come here, boy.
Yes!
Probably not
We're
gonna happen,
so
right?
back.
Your team was 8-0.
You're a
You
piece of
if they didn't get posted.
No, I wouldn't.
5 seconds.
And literally,
Last guy's
That's a
had
lie.
this Mozzie
I could hear the
and
lie in your
Jake.
voice.
Not
I
me.
could hear the
I
lie
can
in
hear
your
the lie in
voice.
your voice, motherfucker. It's not
What is
denial.
going on?
Tyler's a piece of that's what's going on.
Not true.
Tyler, there's a
That's
guy
good.
on stairs, so I'm gonna need
Just
you
if
to
you would've
give
killed
me
me,
an
I'd have drove the
opportunity in there.
Kicked you right in your.
Alright, I am behind you, but. Alright, where? What do you want me to
He's
do?
on stairs.
Alright, let's go, boys.
Okay, well, you have the
The
shield.
Monty train's in.
Oh, you want me to
Monkey
do
train
last
is
one?
in.
Oh, he's not there anymore.
Slight problem here,
Hang on.
fellas.
I'm up. Do you want me to
Got
ying
an
the
A.
top of the stairs? Oh, I'm yinging over there.
Yeah,
I don't trust it.
Cody, wait, behind you.
What?
No, I don't, I think I was chucking.
That's a mirror.
That was a move. I'm in this. Please see my mirror. He's to the
Hang
right.
on, Jake, I'm gonna throw a ying in there. So,
Drop like the top, baby.
throwing another ying. Chuck, you won't be able to see anything. I'm
Playing from behind.
Behind both of us.
What the
Castle.
I got flanked.
In
Friendly, last operator standing.
El Tyler.
Honestly, I agree.
The Chiefs.
Boy, what?
4 remaining.
What the? What
Last
is?
one was outside.
Bro,
Oh,
gonna
like,
hit a clip while I'm
outside.
talking.
No, never.
thrown into the other
Last time I
side.
checked. Oh, I can't open up.
You're a piece of I don't like you.
I just see my rolls.
You sure did. That's your sweet Biffy. Brother, you only have 10 bullets left.
I've got
Bullets,
11.
schmolets.
Wait, what?
Wow, man, that was, you almost had him in the head too.
That sucks. Looks like my career isn't over. We're so back? Question mark.
I should have watched the flank better.
I shouldn't have
L.
put
Jacob.
Yeah, L. Jacob.
so hard.
L. Jacob.
L. Jacob.
You know what?
though.
I'll put the beef aside with Tyler to give a good L. Jacob.
Hey,
Me and Tyler could fight over if the Earth is round. I could know I'm 100% wrong, and I'm still gonna
It's
argue
not
this shit
round.
flat.
stand my ground.
I would make a PowerPoint
to
just to
study.
argue. You know what, Tyler? Christmas break, you pull your PowerPoint up while Mahomes is the GOAT. I'll bring mine. May the best man win.
Okay, you know what?
And the rest of us will judge you and
Yep.
And,
we will judge the things accordingly.
I'm gonna
How are
need
we getting
about
sound
3
amazing?
shots. We're gonna have judges. Chuck
gonna
and
do
Cody
the-
are the judges.
Okay, bet.
10 seconds.
Oh, why
This is
not
for
me?
Christmas?
We can't. Okay,
Probably.
Jacob can do it too. Are we allowed to be
Yes,
racist?
I want
we
Jacob.
need-
Yes.
We need
Are we allowed to be
an
racist?
amount of judges.
Okay, no
Racist
being
is
biased.
encouraged.
And defuse it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I'm biased,
Um,
so.
Yeah,
Well, you
Jacob's
need
biased.
3
Who are we
judges
gonna
still.
be?
dude, I don't give a rat
No,
about
they're
either of these
Justin, come
dudes.
with me.
So.
Yeah, that's why Cody's. Oh my God, there's a spawn peeker. What do you know?
Yeah, but hating on me has been a trend as old as time in our friend group. I
It's
feel
true.
like they
For a
might be
reason.
biased in that way.
For a reason, I might add.
What reason?
Why is bomb down there?
Chuck,
How does Chuck have a knife in like 20 seconds?
Why is the bomb out?
I'm
You
getting
don't need.
out by traps, bro.
The diffuser has been secured.
Thank you.
There's
You're clearing
footholes. My worst enemy.
Oh,
There's
I
someone on the
could've
other
said
side of the
bombs.
map shooting at Cody.
I got you.
Thank you, Justin. Got you.
One's in that
mans.
site.
4 remaining.
That was crazy.
Well, good game, guys.
The last one's over here.
In tight.
The Monty
That's
train's
gonna
coming
be-
through.
Are we gonna play?
Protected at all costs.
Crack the door. You missed.
Jake.
He's on the bomb, fellas. Not actually on the
Dude, he
bomb.
just.
Oh.
Bro, what the?
Let's
What?
go.
I'm confused about that too. He heard me coming and just
What
went.
the was that?
Wasted his sprint.
That might be the biggest sell ever. Maybe a
I would
bigger
be-
sell than the Chiefs getting rid of Alex
Gonna-
Smith.